Have you ever stopped to consider the intricate universe that's constantly moving within you? It's a world unseen, a hidden realm of activity, yet it's fundamental to your very existence. I'm talking about your blood, the life force that courses through your veins, a complex and fascinating substance that holds many secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic world of blood, exploring its components and their vital roles. Prepare to be amazed by the elegance and efficiency of this internal system, often overlooked, but always working to keep you alive. At its core, blood is a liquid tissue, a specialized connective tissue composed of two main parts: plasma and formed elements. Plasma, the yellowish fluid, makes up about 55% of your blood volume. It's mostly water, but it's also packed with proteins, hormones, nutrients, and waste products. Think of it as the delivery service, transporting essential materials throughout the body and carrying away the garbage. Now, let's zoom in on those formed elements, the solid components of blood. There are three main types: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Each has a unique structure and function, working together to maintain your health. First up, we have red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes. These tiny biconcave discs are the most abundant cells in your blood, making up about 40–45% of your blood volume. Their primary job is to transport oxygen from your lungs to your tissues and carry carbon dioxide back to the lungs for removal. They contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen, giving red blood cells their characteristic color. Without red blood cells, our bodies wouldn't be able to get the oxygen they need to function. Next, we have white blood cells, or leukocytes, the guardians of your immune system. There are several types of white blood cells, each with a specific role in defending your body against infections and diseases. Some engulf and destroy bacteria and viruses, while others produce antibodies to fight off foreign invaders. White blood cells are like the soldiers of your body, constantly patrolling for threats and protecting you from harm. Finally, we have platelets, the tiny fragments that play a crucial role in blood clotting. When you get a cut or injury, platelets rush to the scene to plug the gap and stop the bleeding. They clump together and release chemicals that trigger the formation of a blood clot, a mesh-like structure that seals the wound and allows it to heal. Platelets are like the first responders, ensuring that you don't lose too much blood. The blood flowing inside you is a dynamic and intricate system, a testament to the marvels of the human body. Each component of blood, from the plasma to the formed elements, works in perfect harmony to keep you alive and healthy. The next time you feel a pulse, remember the secret world flowing inside you. A world of constant activity. A world of life.